Hello, my darlings. My name is Natasha Nyawaza, reporting for Natasha Entertainment right here on these YouTube streets on a beautiful Tuesday afternoon. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. But if you have already subscribed, thank you so much, my darling. And also thank you to everybody that has been subscribing lately. I see the numbers each and every day. So guys, today we are unpacking a headline that is so intense. It's basically the definition of deserted in the desert with no water. You know, I'm talking about the shocking story of Unandipha Magudumana and convicted killer Thabo Bester, and how this twisted real-life situation perfectly illustrates how some men or people will leave you completely dried out. Think of Unandipha, once a respected doctor, a rising star, a male and guardian youth finalist. She built a brand, a career and a family. She was married with 2 beautiful daughters. Everything looked lush. But underneath, Thabo Bester, aka the Facebook rapist, was lurking. A man who broke her trust, ignored her values, and left her in the emotional and legal desert. So it is said that they reconnected in 2016, got engaged in 2020, and then plotted a daring escape from prison that involved faking Thabo Bester's death, even stealing dead bodies to pull it off. And for Nandipha, who was once a doctor, for someone who once saved lives, these were dry well moments. Moral lines were crossed, legal collapse, loss of career, and public humiliation. I think she thought she'd found loyalty, but instead she was abandoned in a storm she helped to build. That is very important. She helped to build. Now, why do people leave you high and dry? You know why? Because when the desert hits, bonds that were built for sunshine, not storms, evaporate. I don't want to lie. Nandipha may have thought she was building a future, but when legal heat came, she found herself baked under the trial spotlight, license revoked, facing charges in SA and Tanzania. So what's the truth in all this? What's the truth you are taking from this, and what is the lesson you are taking from this? Relationships grounded in deceit, even if they feel intense, even if they feel like legit, kodwa, when the desert comes, only those built on loyalty, integrity, and mutual respect survive. Only those are able to bring the water. So stop worshipping dramas and start honoring substance. Don't march into the sand for someone who doesn't carry or who will never carry water when you need it the most. Dr. Nandipha's story is a high stakes, it is a high loss saga, but it can be a wake-up call. You don't need someone who leaves you stranded in your weakest moment. You don't need someone ozokwenza wenze izinto that are questionable out of love. Umntu that will make you to prove their love to them by doing izinto that might put you in such a situation. You deserve someone who brings you water, emotional support, love that doesn't require breaking the law. So guys, that's it for today. Please don't forget to drop a comment down below. What do you think about this whole situation? I see on social media a lot of people feel for her, but a lot of people don't feel for her, but uzenzile, and of which is true. But some people believe that she does deserve a second chance, but who are we to judge? We are not God. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.